Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to bypass device ban on Snapchat. Firstly, start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down, then tap on General Management. Select Reset option from the menu and then choose Factory Data Reset. Tap on Factory Data Reset. This will begin the process of resetting your phone. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to erase all the data from your device. Just tap Erase All Data to proceed. Just note that the process will wipe all data from your phone, so make sure to back up anything important beforehand. And after the reset, you'll need to go through the initial setup process again, and you can now create a new account on Snapchat after the reset, because you need to reset your device ID on Android so you can bypass the ban on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.